When you dress well and presentable while going to work, people will perceive you as someone who is valuable, competent, professional, and you will be taken more serious. And ladies, this will really help you in your personal and your career life. So how will you do this? In this video, we'll have two parts. The first part, I'll show you how you can dress better. I'll give you tips on how you can dress better and elevate your style. And the second part, I'll show you outfit ideas that you can try. So let's begin. The first way to dress better, care about looking good and dressing up for work. Most of you don't think of a workplace as a special place to dress up for. And this is the mindset that you need to change. Because we spend almost half of our lifetime at work. So why not dress up? Why not look good and attract? Even if your co-workers don't put on the effort to look good, or your workplace, it doesn't have that strict rule in dress code, you should always strive to display professionalism and some style and class in your appearance. This is the mindset that you need to start with. Strive to look good and you will look good. The next tip to elevate your style, move away from casual looking outfits. Too casual dress code is not the way to go if you want to look well dressed for work. At least opt for business casual or business formal. This is what will make you look more elevated and polished. And depending on where you're working, this can be applicable. For instance, if you work at a less formal place, you can do business casual instead of casual outfits. Business casual, it's less serious, it's fun, but it also says business at the same time, which makes you look more elevated. And if you work at a formal setting or maybe a corporate place, business formal is the way to go. They are spicy but formal. They speak professionalism and competence. Business casual and business formal will create a professional representation of you and elevate your look. Number 3, dress better and look elevated. Invest in stylish, sharp-pointed shoes and structured, shaped bags. Ladies, I've said sharp-pointed and shaped bags because these two things will make impact on how you look. They can instantly elevate your outfit. For instance, for shoes, invest in sharp-pointed. This can be in Chico design, in mules, in heels, in boots, and get them in creative way. Get them in a more spicy way. They will really elevate your outfit. And when it comes to handbag, go for the ones with an edgy structure, a bit shaped. They have a shape and they don't lose their shape where they are not stuffed up. The key here is these two things, they should become a complement to your outfit. And any time that you're wearing any outfit and you put on these sharp pointed and a very well structured shaped bags in leather design or in a very good design, ladies, you will instantly look more classier and well dressed. So here are the outfits idea that you can try. Number 1, power suit. This look, it whispers power, business, success, smartness, and sharpness. And you don't need to wait to be a CEO or a manager or a business owner for you to wear a suit. You need to start now. Start wearing them. Even if you're just a sales girl, a receptionist, or an intern, wear them. There is no restriction. This is the time. Wear it and own it. And most especially, get a suit in double-breasted. They look more classier. And especially the edgy design more than the relaxed. The relaxed, they don't look that good. Go for the edgy type. And when you are styling this suit, ensure that the top that you wear inside is of the same color because you want to pull a monochromatic look. This is a very power look. And for accessorizing this outfit, just go for a stud earrings and a watch. And for the shoes, a low-heeled or a mule. And ladies, if you're working at a very informal place, rock vibrant colors of suits. Go for red, pink, white, bold colors. And if you're working at a more formal place, you can opt for the settled, muted, quiet colors like brown, black, maybe navy blue, but as long as it is a suit. Ladies, this is the time. Stop waiting for the perfect time for you to wear a suit. Shock people once in a while. Put on that suit. This is a very power look that you need and you deserve to try it. The next outfit, white pants. White pants, they look more unique than the normal black pants. Then pair it up with a striped button down, a blue striped button down shirt. These combinations look very classy. And then accentuate your waist with a brown belt. For accessories, just 1 or 2 rings and a watch and some dainty necklace. You will look so elevated. For shoes, wear it with a low-heeled, a mule, a loafer, and if you're going for flats, ensure that it's sharp-pointed. It is a very stylish look, clean look that you need to try. Number 3, bodycon dresses and a trench coat. This is such a laid back but a professional look. Just look at this. So get a mid-level size bodycon dress and ensure that the neckline, it's a bit high. So a high neckline. Then put on top a slightly edgy relaxed type of a trench coat design that is slightly the same level size as the dress. Then put on any shoes, and most especially sharp pointed shoes to elevate your look. You can do boots or you can do some flats, some mules, some chicos. It will look so great. This is a very classic look and it signals professionalism. The next outfit are the statement formal blouses. This is something that will elevate how you look. Get a different varieties of formal blouses in knot, in button down, in lace, in many creative designs. Then pair them up with an office pant or a pencil skirt. And ladies, you will never worry about what to wear to work because you can create over 50 outfits with these formal blouses. They are worth the investment. For instance, if you want something a bit casual, laid back, but business vibe, wear it with the jeans and wear some sharp-pointed shoes. It simply says business but casual at the same time. And if you want a more professional look, wear it with an office pant and pair it up with chicos or a low-heeled, and you will look so smart, a successful lady. Ladies, just to conclude that always remember that fashion is in the details. You have to pay attention to the details. So if you find a picture in Pinterest, you always need to take note of the details of the outfit. But as long as you follow everything that I've told you in this video, then you will definitely improve and elevate your work style. So that's it, ladies. See you in my next video. Kwaheri. Bye.